Having the right weight loss supplements can completely change your weight loss experience. In this video, I'm exploring the top 6 best weight loss supplements. The issue is that a weight loss supplement might work great for one person, but might not be the best for you because most weight loss supplements are not made with the same people in mind. This is why I made sure to include options for all types of situations, so regardless of what you're looking for, I'll have the perfect weight loss supplements for you. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. Please note that the products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned so you don't miss anything. Starting things off, number 6 on our list is the Jacked Factory Lean PM Nighttime Fat Burner. It isn't some magic potion that promises to zap away belly fat overnight. We all know that's not realistic. But with a solid diet and workout routine, it can be that extra push we need to burn fat and shed those stubborn areas while holding on to our hard-earned muscle. It's designed for nighttime use and helps you burn fat while you sleep. Plus, it has no caffeine or stimulants, so you experience no jitters, headaches, or crashes. It's just a science-backed formula that promotes maximum fat burning and even helps with relaxation, mood enhancement, and deeper sleep. This fat burner has a natural weight loss supplement with metabolism boosting ingredients that work for both men and women. When it comes to its key ingredients, it has epigallocatechin gallate, which is a green tea extract to boost metabolism and promote fat burning. It has melatonin that helps regulate sleep-wake cycles. Plus, it contains important amino acids like L-arginine, which helps the body produce nitric oxide to improve blood flow and circulation, and L-theanine, which can promote relaxation and reduce stress. It not only helps in burning fat, but also ensures you get deeper, more restful sleep. It gives no hangover effect after. Plus, using these pills is easy too. You just have to take 2 capsules 45 minutes before bedtime with a glass of water. Number 5 is the Hydroxycut Hardcore Elite, the best supplement on our list for both men and women. It not only ignites your workouts, but also gives you the energy and mental focus to power through your busiest days. The secret sauce here is a scientifically researched dose of caffeine anhydrous, which is a powerhouse ingredient known for boosting energy and mental focus. When it comes to the premium ingredients that make this formula stand out, it has Canephora robusta, a green coffee extract that is the scientifically backed weight loss driver. It also has coleus, which is a plant supplement derived from the mint family, and L-theanine. They all work together to deliver a one-of-a-kind sensory experience. Plus, green coffee extract works hand in hand with a calorie-reduced diet and moderate exercise. It's suitable for both men and women and is tailor-made to fuel your most intense workouts. You just have to start taking it slow to assess your tolerance. You can take 1 capsule twice a day for the first 3 days. Once you're good to go, you can go up to 2 capsules twice a day. Just remember, you don't exceed 4 capsules in 24 hours. Number 4 is the Burn XT, our top pick in the energy-boosting fat loss supplements category. It's a weight loss supplement that can magically reshape your body with a solid diet and workout plan, and is clinically shown. It has ingredients like caffeine and green tea extract that make it a high-stimulant fat burner that aligns perfectly with your fitness goals. You can get increased energy, focus, and a turbocharged metabolism because it has especially been designed for those who are serious about shedding some extra pounds while keeping that hard-earned muscle intact. Plus, it has no harsh stimulants that'll leave you feeling worse than when you started. There are no artificial food dyes, and it's pure, just like you want it to be. Starting with this energy booster fat loss supplement is easy. You can take 1 capsule a day for a week with breakfast and plenty of water and see how your body reacts. After that, you can go for 1 capsule twice a day with meals. You might initially experience a bit of jitteriness, but that's just your body getting used to the good stuff inside. For best results, Burn XT recommends a 60-day commitment. You can pair it up with your usual healthy diet and exercise routine, and you might just be surprised at the results. Plus, make sure not to pop them on an empty stomach. And if you want to know the latest prices of the weight loss supplements discussed in this video, be sure to click the links below. And if you're having a good time watching this video, we would really love it if you hit that subscribe button. Number 3 is the Lemme Burn, the best supplement for getting rid of belly fat. These stimulant-free supplements to target belly fat contain ingredients that are intended to boost metabolism, promote sleep, and suppress appetite. One of the key ingredients is actiponin, a plant extract from Gynostema, which has been clinically studied to encourage the body to burn abdominal fat. It activates AMPK, which is a powerful enzyme that our bodies produce less of as we age. This enzyme is crucial for converting fat into energy, and its decline could be a major reason for unwanted belly fat. So it's not just about shedding pounds, but doing it by boosting our body's natural fat-burning processes. Plus, the studies show that it's not just about losing weight, but doing so in a way that's healthy and sustainable. If you have been struggling with low metabolism, these supplements also contain green tea extract, which actively kickstarts our metabolism. And on top of that, they've thrown in active forms of vitamin B6 and methyl B12 to support energy metabolism. They're also vegan, gluten-free, non-GMO, sugar-free, and free from artificial flavors or synthetic colors. Plus, they're produced in a current good manufacturing practices facility and rigorously tested for identity, strength, and safety. If you are planning to add these supplements to your diet, you can start with 1 capsule per day to check the tolerance levels of your body. Afterwards, you can take 2 capsules daily, with or without food. Number 2 is the Strip Fast 5000 Fire Bullet Capsules, the best vegan weight loss supplements on our list. They're designed to give you a serious energy boost with K-Citro technology that is activated by water and movement and turbocharges your weight loss journey. They contain a blend of ingredients including caffeine, green tea extract, and raspberry ketones, which are purported to boost metabolism, promote thermogenesis, and suppress appetite. But it's not just about weight loss. These supplements promise a serious productivity overload. They boost your focus and energy, not just in the gym, but also in your day-to-day life. So, you can tackle work projects, study for exams, and even have the stamina to finish DIY projects at home. They're like a jetpack for your energy levels. Plus, they're vegan-friendly, suitable for vegetarians, and halal-safe. They've cut out all the junk, no pork or beef gelatin, no nuts, no fish, and definitely no nasty preservatives. If you are planning to use these supplements, you should start slow and take just 1 capsule a day to see how your body reacts. Plus, you have to drink 2 to 3 liters of water daily to get the full effect and avoid any side effects. Number 1 on our list is InnoSupps Night Shred, the best supplement on our list for those who want to lose weight while sleeping. This allows you to burn fat while having the most amazing deep sleep and lets you drift into relaxation mode faster, but also kicks in the REM sleep faster. It contains a blend of ingredients that are intended to promote weight loss by boosting metabolism, improving sleep quality, and reducing cravings. The key ingredients include ashwagandha to reduce stress, improve sleep quality, and boost metabolism, conjugated linoleic acid to promote fat loss and improve body composition. L-carnitine transports fat to cells to be burned for energy, and the melatonin hormone to regulate sleep-wake cycles. Sleep is vital, not just for feeling refreshed, but also for crushing your muscle-building workouts. This supplement is armed with magnesium, melatonin, GABA, and other natural heavyweights to ensure you wake up ready to conquer the day and your workout. Plus, they're safe for your health and don't mess around with cheap fillers or artificial sweeteners. This supplement is not just about weight loss, it's about flavor too. It's created by a squad working with athletes, doctors, and scientists to cook up cutting-edge formulas with delicious flavor profiles. So, you're not just chugging down a supplement, you also get to enjoy the flavor. Though it's a safe and effective weight loss supplement for most people, but you should talk to your doctor before taking any new supplements, especially if you are pregnant, breastfeeding, or have any health conditions. And there you have it. We hope that this selection simplifies your decision-making process and makes your quest for the perfect weight loss supplements much easier. And if you guys found this video valuable, we'd love it if you hit the subscribe button. And be sure to check out the description for the links to find the latest pricing on all the products mentioned. Until next time.